The industrial maintenance program at MAC is designed for those individuals who are interested in entry-level positions in the fields of industrial maintenance. That may be, for example, in a manufacturing setting, it could be in a school setting, or any other type of industrial type of situation. The electro-electronics program at Mineral Area College is designed to prepare students for entry-level positions in the electrical field. It's a combination of your traditional electrical, like your AC and DC circuits, more of the residential type of electrical, as well as some electronics, like the digital electronics, things that you might see behind like a TV or things like that.
Design drafting program here at Mineral Area College, we take an approach to where there are several different processes that are involved in modern manufacturing. And so for our students, we want to make sure that they're exposed to each of those different manufacturing processes from the standpoint of someone that would actually be designing systems or designing products for a manufacturing company.
My name is Isabel Bergerhoff, and my major is engineering, drafting, and design. And I would further on like to go into architectural drafting and design. My favorite class is definitely CAD, with a little bit of Inventor because I just learned that this semester. It's just very interesting seeing all the things you design come to life and making blueprints and just making objects and seeing their structural form and then taking them to Inventor and becoming 3D models and just real life structures. There are a lot of opportunities here and it's just really welcoming.
Modern manufacturing actually lends itself to several different processes that someone needs to be proficient in, very knowledgeable in. Processes could be anything from pneumatics and hydraulics to AC, DC electronics. So we focus on providing those skills to all of our students. They don't just learn theory, they don't just learn one set of skills. We actually will go in and we will give them hands-on instruction. They'll get to practice using equipment that will help train them to be successful and competent in any of those processes. Our machine tool program covers a wide variety of processes. We'll start out with the most fundamental aspects of machine tool and we'll build on that. We mainly focus on computer numerical control. We do both mill and turning operations on the CNC. We will progress those students from learning the basics of what it takes to be a CNC operator to actually teaching the students how to program parts on a machine to be cut out, whether by a CNC mill or a CNC lathe.
The welding technology program here at MAC will be teaching the 4 major welding processes, along with some of the fundamentals such as blueprint reading, technical math, and metallurgy. And there'll be a full section on fabrication where students will be able to take the things they learned and apply them to real work in the shop. There will also be an opportunity for AWS certifications. I will be given a pre-qualifier, and if the students can pass that, they will be given the opportunity for AWS certifications.
So within our industrial technology or our industrial engineering programs, our students will have several opportunities to be able to earn various credentials with all of the programs that we offer.